We live in an era of globalization. Change today is not brought about just through necessity, but through the zeal and ambitions of the new age knowledge workers to outdo themselves. Presenting a chair designed to salute the new age knowledge workforce. ICan, a chair designed by Chan. ICan, winner of India Design Award. I'm ICan. The unique seat design, the patented Aeroflow technology, allows free flow of air through the perforated seat and reduces heat buildup. You can get a dual advantage of Aeroflow with seat foam, giving you all day long comfort, especially in hot climatic conditions. The foam, in addition to the Aeroflow technology, provides healthy support for the thighs. Heights of different people are bound to vary. The backrest can be adjusted at different heights for personalized lumbar support. The innovative armrest with vertical, forward and backward adjustments allows comfortable working in relation to worktop height. A seat height adjustment provides dynamic and natural movements, helping you to sit at your height of comfort. Yes, it's very important to stretch your back once in a while. So lock, recline, stretch and relax as per your mood with just a simple push of the lever. The reclining force for your weight can be adjusted with the aid of the knob below the seat. The knee tilt synchro mechanism helps you work not only in the upright working position but also in the reclined position with ease. ICan, a truly green product engineered to global standards. Your body is so natural to you. Why should your chair be anything else? ICan, brought to you by Wipro Furniture.